There are a ton of videos on the internet telling you how to make the perfect movie theater popcorn. There's only one problem with all of these videos.
First off, I got my oil. Gonna put that at the bottom.
Wrong!
We're gonna make this. It's bright yellow the way fake movie butter popcorn looks, but it doesn't taste fake because we're getting the yellow color from turmeric and nutritional yeast.
No. No. No.
Some of my favorites are avocado oil, ghee, or expeller pressed coconut oil.
No. 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 No.
About a quarter cup of popcorn right into the bag, and then you're just gonna fold just the top of it. Put it into your microwave.
No. Hell no.
And then I have about a third cup of popcorn kernels. I'm gonna put my lid on.
No. No.
Add a quarter of a cup of water. Yep, that's right, water.
I refuse. No. No.
Wait, Joshua Wiseman, he has to have a good one, right?
Add 3 tablespoons of your clarified butter or vegetable oil to a pot.
Why? Why? Alton Brown, one of my childhood heroes, surely he's done popcorn right.
3 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like peanut oil, would be my pop medium of choice.
All right, one last chance. Binging with Babish. He's got to have this right.
Now we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large stock pot.
Ah! Come on! Popcorn is simple and easy. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients. It just takes very specific ingredients. So let's start with the easy one, popcorn kernels. You can use just about any popcorn kernel that you want. I suggest yellow. Your original here in your Orville Redenbacher is a good one. This one is available pretty much everywhere you go. This next ingredient is often touted as the secret ingredient, and it's only partially right. We're talking about Flavacol. Flavacol is the salt additive that is going to make your popcorn taste fantastic, but it can only get you halfway there. Up next is popcorn oil, and our friend Babish was only 50% right. You are supposed to pop your corn in coconut oil, but you are missing beta-carotene. That is what's going to give your popcorn that delicious golden color that makes our brains think it's a lot more popcorny and buttery than we actually think it is. This is the stuff. This is $30 for this. This is a gallon worth of fat here. This will last you forever. So no bitching, buy once, cry once. You'll be dead and buried. Your grandkids will eat the popcorn that comes out of this bad boy. Now, if you're a big giant baby and you don't want to spend $30 on a gallon, you can go and buy these little guys here at pretty much any grocery store. It's going to run you about $5. Popcorn topping oil. You can actually pop your popcorn in this stuff. It's okay. It does a pretty good job. It does give it a decent color and everything. But I would rather use this as topping, because it does say topping and oil. So you can actually use this. I like this as the kind of your finisher sauce. We'll get to this in a moment. One of the things I won't be telling you about in this recipe is all the different sizes of pots and different things like that. We're just using feelings for this. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you've got a decent sized pot with a lid. I like this one. It's got a big heavy bottom on it, just like your mom. And well, you wanna put it on medium low heat. I see way too many of these videos and they are putting this sucker on ridiculously high heat. Stop it. You want it below medium, but not low. You want things to cook quickly, but not too fast. First things first, you want to get your coconut oil and drop that bad boy down in there. Again, I'm just kind of using my eye on this one, and as long as it just covers the bottom of the pan, you're good to go. Once your coconut oil's melted, you're going to want to take 4 popcorn kernels and drop them in the bottom. You could put all of the popcorn in the oil once it's just melted down and everything. I think it helps get up to temp faster, and you can tell by those 4 popped kernels. Once those are popped, you're set to throw in the rest of your corn. When all 4 kernels have popped, now it's time to load the bottom just barely with popcorn. And place just enough popcorn to cover the bottom of your pan. Then, Flavacol. Again, there's going to be things to tell you how to do. I'm just gonna say use your feelings. I've done this enough times. You're gonna find out what's good. Swish it around there a little bit so everything gets incorporated. Again, you don't want to use too much Flavacol. Think about it like salt. You don't want to over salt it, and you can always put more salt on at the end. But what this does is actually make sure that the popcorn tastes like salt all of the time, which is great. So just wait for this bad boy. You don't need to agitate it as much as everyone is saying that you do. Up until this point, you can just leave it sit like this. It's fine. Once things start popping and moving, that's when you really want to shake stuff up. And as you'll see, it's going to start happening very quick. Now, one of the very important things, once you are ready, once your popcorn is set, for the love of everything holy, have a bowl ready. Do you know how many times you've made popcorn and you haven't had a bowl set and ready to go? Don't. Wait for it to happen. I definitely recommend having a glass top on your popcorn here so you can actually see what's going on. I see so many videos where they're just like, put a solid steel lid on top. Why? So you can't see what the hell's going on in there? That's ridiculous. And again, I see so many people making popcorn and like who are you making popcorn for? Like a 2-year-old? I make a crap load of popcorn when I'm doing it, man. The more the better. And again, you're gonna know all of these ratios eventually because you're gonna keep making popcorn until you figure it out, until you go, oh, this is what works in my house. Now see that we're getting close to the top? Just go ahead and dump a little bit in there because guess what? That's exactly what they do at the movie theater. It overflows and it goes down into the actual compartment here. We are doing that exact same thing here. Shake it up and make sure that those tiny little kernels are going to the bottom of the pan. We're almost done here. Real fast. Wait till the pops kind of subside. That's it. I shake just a little bit more. Maybe there's a little residual heat. You'll hear a couple more pops and that's it. Just dump the rest of it in there. You are set to go. Now, one of the important parts I think so many people mess up on is you need to actually toss that popcorn a little bit. Then just take your salt, dash a little on top. And again, if you want to use your butter topping here, this is the time that you use that. You can do clarified butter. I worked in a movie theater that had clarified butter and everything. We use that on our popcorn, and I gotta tell you, I think the fake stuff is better. Yeah. Clarified butter adds too much of a nutty taste to it, in my opinion. As much as I don't like all the fake, soybean and all that crap, this really is the way to go for all of that. That's it. Popcorn couldn't be much simpler than that. All you need is a couple of the correct ingredients, and you're off to the races. I don't know why everyone makes this so difficult. See you next time.